Welcome. You are about to experience Affirmations. Your body is a temple, and vitality its prayer. In this meditation, we will concentrate on affirmations that promote health and wellness. Nurture your physical being with love and care, and affirm your commitment to sustaining vitality in every breath. Begin by finding a comfortable position, sitting or lying down in a serene space where you can be undisturbed. Gently close your eyes. Smile. And bring your attention to your breath. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, feeling your chest and belly expand with life-giving air. As you exhale through your mouth, envision any toxins and waste being expelled from your body. With each breath, you are becoming more deeply relaxed. Inhale once more through your nose and imagine a warm golden light entering with the air. This light represents healing energy, filling your body with vitality and wellness. As you exhale through your mouth, let this golden light spread from the crown of your head, slowly descending. Feel it soothing your forehead, relaxing your eyes, and softening your cheeks. With each breath, the light moves gently down your body. As it reaches your neck and shoulders, feel the muscles there release and let go of all tightness. The golden light carries away any burdens, leaving only a sense of lightness. Inhale deeply, drawing in more of this healing light. As it travels down your arms, into your chest and heart, feel a sense of deep healing taking place. Your heart beats strongly, circulating wellness throughout your body. As you exhale, the light cascades down your spine, relaxing each vertebrae, each muscle, until it pools at your lower back, a reservoir of warm healing and comfort. With each breath, the golden light continues its journey, bringing relaxation and healing. Feel it swirling around your hips, your thighs, releasing any discomfort with a gentle, healing touch. The light moves down to your knees, your calves, and into your feet. Each toe is bathed in this golden glow. And with every exhale, you feel more grounded, more at peace. Now, your entire body is enveloped in this radiant, healing golden light. You are cocooned in warmth. Your body is relaxed, and your mind is at ease. This light represents deep healing and vitality flowing through you, filling every cell with vibrant health. As this golden light travels through your body, from the top of your head down to your toes, feel the warmth and healing energy. With each breath, this light becomes brighter, its healing energy more potent. Visualize your immune system as a supercharged network, glowing with the golden light of health and vitality. Now, repeat the following affirmations to yourself, allowing them to sink deep into your subconscious, creating vibrant health within each cell of your body. Allow these affirmations to resonate within you, feeling the truth of each word. With every breath, I am inviting more health and vitality into my body. I am grateful for the natural healing processes that occur within me. Each cell in my body is vibrant and overflowing with energy. I nurture my body with love and care, sustaining my well-being. My immune system is incredibly powerful and keeps me protected against illness. With every breath, I feel stronger, healthier, and more alive. With every heartbeat, I spread love and vitality throughout my body. I enjoy exercising my body and strengthening my muscles. My body heals quickly and easily. I am in harmony with nature, and my body reflects this balance. I sleep soundly and peacefully, and awaken feeling healthy and energetic. I breathe deeply, allowing for abundant health and energy. My mind, body, and spirit are a picture of perfect health. Every day, in every way, I am becoming healthier and stronger. I am energetic and enjoy a vibrant life. My immune system is powerful and keeps me well. Wellness is the natural state of my body. I am in perfect health. I am full of vitality and my mind is calm and peaceful. I choose to make positive choices for my health every day. My body is strong, capable, and resilient. I'm surrounded by an abundance of health. Every cell in my body vibrates with energy and health. I am very fit and healthy as I eat only healthy foods and exercise daily. Remember, these affirmations are seeds planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind, growing stronger and more potent with each repetition to carry this sense of health and vitality with you. Take a few more deep breaths. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. Open your eyes, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and vibrant with health. The next time you return on hearing the welcoming bell chime, your subconscious mind will know it's time to enter into a deep meditative state, faster and deeper than your previous visit. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Namaste.